The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. Lady, why I love a dog so much? I love human being. I love human being more. Human being a human being. We have a life. I only have one life to live, and I'm gonna live it. I only have one love to give, and I'm gonna give it, no matter what it takes.
No, that's not nice.
Shut your blood clot mouth. Shut up. Shut your mouth.
You come for the bus a bit nice.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
This is British. I am British. Suck your girl too. I'm British Jamaican. We got fuck
I don't care the fuck what it is.
Fuck off. You tell me to sit up. Are you my mother? My mother did for me a sick. And my son. Stop lesbian. Lazy.
Are you a batty man?
Aye, don't worry. Your father talks too much. Let me fuck your father.
You're swearing on my bus. Can you come out, please?
Why for?
You're swearing.
Why?
You're talking to the other passengers.
No, I said hello.
Can you sit down and then talk? Thank you.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall. Big up and respect to each and every one. And I'm looking at this video right about now that shows of someone arguing with someone on a public passenger vehicle. And I'm saying to myself, what could have really and truly caused for someone to go on a public passenger vehicle and argue with someone else or persons on the vehicle? You see me? Could it be that someone said something to that person which gets the person angry, or is it that the person is intoxicated? You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah. And viewers and subscribers, that is one thing we need to know too, you know. So when you see somebody that is intoxicated and all these things, you need to be careful of them because they can be very dangerous. You know, some persons when they drink, they're not in their right mind and all these things, all right? Yeah, so you have to really and truly keep an eyeball out for something like that, all right? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, you don't know I only bring to you what is out there, or you can say hot on social media. And this video shows of a person being disrespectful to other persons on a bus, right? That is a public transportation vehicle. It is said that it had happened in the UK, you know what I mean? That is United Kingdom. And viewers and subscribers, some persons are saying that this person is drunk. Some persons are saying no, he's not. Some persons are saying that this person is just rude, and all other things have been said about what had happened in this video, all right? Just let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers, alright? You don't know, me Dancehall. Keep you up to date and posted. So until next time, my name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.